So I keep getting cut off when I do these videos. I just wanted to say one more thing about why there are different religions. Just as there are different courses of instruction within an educational system for different students, so similarly there are different parts, different mazhabs or different faiths as parts of the one unchanging religion. So this religion, the one deen of surrendering to God, or the one dharma of seeking and finding truth, the pure path of serving and loving the Supreme Beloved and all creation, that is real religion. There's only one real religion, one deen. So if all the different so-called religions are parts of one eternal deen or dharma, then what harm would come from studying and appreciating the so-called other religions we come in contact with? For they all have many good points. They're all parts of the same one eternal religion. We might learn something valuable from them, and might even want to incorporate some of their teachings or practices into our own lives. So that was the last part of what I had written yesterday morning, and I had wanted to complete that. So I've come back on, and I'll just see if there are any important questions here that have come up.